In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a shape from an image using Photoshop. The feature I am going to use for this video is available on Adobe Photoshop CC 2020 or higher. If you have an older version of Photoshop, this may not work for you. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open an image of your choice, or if you want to go along with this video, you can download the image and the project files using the link from the video's description. Then go to the window. Libraries window will open up. Then click on the plus icon and choose Create from Image. Then go to the Shapes option. On the properties of the shape, you can change how many details will be on the shape. If you want, you can inverse the shape color. You can also turn on the Smooth on Save option. You can also erase some extra area from the shape. When you are happy with the shape, click on the Save to the CC Library button. In order to use the shape on another document, just open the document where you want to use the shape or create a new document. On the library window, click and drag the shape into your document. The shape will be placed according to your document size.